Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I wish you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. This is an English for grade 4 and we are learning unit number 13 and its title is A Courageous Woman. So yes, my dear teachers, this is lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Before our today's lecture number 7, under the title of writing, we will learn how to write a descriptive paragraph. We will learn about descriptive paragraph. Before in English for grade 3, my dear students, we have already learned on page number 13, we have already learned how we can write a descriptive paragraph. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. So our today's students' learning outcomes are: use appropriate vocabulary and tense to write a simple paragraph by giving description of a person, object, or a place. So this is our SLO, how we can describe a person, a place, or an object. So let's see how we can describe. So my dear teachers and my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Ar-Rahman, verse number 54, they are reclining on beds whose linings are of silk brocade, and the fruit of the two gardens is hanging low. So yes, my dear students and my dear fellow teachers, this beautiful verse is telling us about the regards and the rewards of good people, okay, noble people who will be in Jannah. And how they will be? They will be lying on beds. Reclining means lying. They will be sleeping, lying on beds, and there will be two gardens and their fruits will be hanging low. Their fruits will be hanging low. This is the reward for good people, for believers who have firm belief on Almighty Allah. So this is the reward for them. Oh, how? So it's also we should pray, Ya Allah Pak, you should also, Allah Almighty, bless us all these blessings in Jannah. Ameen. So first of all, we are going to refresh our previous knowledge. What do you know about descriptive paragraph? So yes, my dear students, answer this. What do you know about descriptive paragraph? Excellent job, good, because we have already learned about descriptive paragraph in detail. So today we will enhance our knowledge. So let's see what is a descriptive paragraph. A descriptive paragraph creates a picture of a person, place, or thing. The purpose of descriptive writing is to describe a person, place, or thing in such a way that a picture is formed in the reader's mind. So yes, my dear teachers and my dear students, have you got what is a descriptive paragraph? Descriptive paragraphs creates a picture of a person, place, or a thing. So how it can create? While it gives a detailed information, okay? A descriptive paragraph always gives a detailed information. It tells us about how that thing is, where it is. So when it is explained through different examples, so we can get that this is a descriptive paragraph. And also its purpose. What is its purpose? Its purpose is to create a picture in the reader's mind. So have you checked, my dear students, whenever we are reading a text, if that text is written in a best way and it is described in a good way, so it looks like we are in the same situation. We are totally engaged while reading. So such type of paragraphs are called descriptive paragraph. Okay, so see there. So see there. Can you judge what is this? Yes, this is a masjid. Okay, this is the inside of a masjid. So you can see that. Okay, so we can offer prayer there. What we do there? We offer prayer. Okay, and next see there, Yes, this was inside and this is outside. Okay, this is the outer side of a masjid. Okay, so next see how we can describe. See step by step. This is also, now this is complete. It is being shown that how it is looking and how it is, its color is white and also off white. You can judge there. So let's see how it looks. So see there, this is complete now. This is a masjid and this masjid is situated in Jatoi, Muzaffargarh. This is actual masjid, my dear students. You can search out it. This is a beautiful masjid. Okay, so you can search out it also. So now we are going to describe it. Okay, how we will describe. So let's see. See there, it is a beautiful masjid in Jatoi, Muzaffargarh. So this is, you can judge that. It has 52 domes and 2 minarets, each 55 meters tall. These are, so we are describing this masjid. You can see we are describing through pictures, my dear students. Its color is mostly off-white. Okay, its color is mostly off-white. Also you can describe that, but you can see, you can also see greenery is also there. It is very beautiful masjid. Muslims offer 5 times prayers in it. It is a cool and calm place. This is the feeling, how it looks. It is a cool and calm place. And what is being done in this masjid? Yes, Muslims offers 5 time prayers. So in this way we can describe a thing, a person. If we are going to describe a person, also we can describe a person. We can describe how much tall he or she is, how is his her color, okay, age, his likes, dislikes. So this is also description of a person, my dear students. But here we describe a place, or this is an actual place. Okay. So it's time to move towards activity. So let's see how you will describe. Yes, my dear teachers, make pair of students and show them a picture of a person. Give them 5 minutes to observe the picture. Say them to describe the picture in their words. Call each pair in front of class to represent the picture. So here also I have given a picture, my dear students and my dear teachers. It's up to you which type of picture you want to show, but this is for you, my dear students. So you will see the picture and then you will describe this picture in front of your class. So my dear teachers, pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Welcome back and excellent job, and I hope you have done it nicely and you have described nicely, because it is clearly showing that how we can describe. We can describe eyes, and also we can describe everything. Okay, it is called description, my dear students. We can describe height, we can describe color, complexion and eyes, hair color. So this is called description. Okay, good. I hope you have got it. So now we will move towards our classwork. Individual activity is there on page number 107. In writing, question number 11 is there. Write about the adventures of Ali Said Para. Get the information about his life as a mountaineer. Write the gathered information in a paragraph. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, first of all, you will help to search out whole information about him. Then you will guide to your teachers in writing. Okay, so pause the video and do this activity in your class, in your homework, classwork, in your notebooks. Excellent job, and I hope you have collected much information about him and his achievements. Good job, my dear students. So what's our homework for today? Write a paragraph about the achievements of Arfa Karim in your notebooks. So do you know about her? Arfa Karim, a software engineer. Okay, so you will search out and you will write about her achievements in your notebook. This is your homework task for today. My dear fellow teachers, this is worksheet, and this worksheet link is given below. You should provide it to your students in printed form so that we might be able to get that how they can describe anything in their own words. So what we have learned today? Today we learned about paragraphs. We also came to know that paragraphs are with different types. We got knowledge about descriptive paragraph and its formation, how we can write a descriptive paragraph. And in this way we have covered up our SLO, use appropriate vocabulary and tense to write a simple paragraph by giving description of a person, object and a place. So my dear teachers and my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture, and also you got a new information about, I already discussed that there about a masjid. So you must, when you would have time, so you must check on internet and get detail about it. So tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon inshallah. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.